In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best robot window cleaners available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the robot window cleaners mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, ABIR WD8 Window Cleaning Robot. The ABIR WD8 is ideal for families needing hassle-free window cleaning on smooth surfaces. It uses fixed-pointed deep cleaning to tackle tough stains and features dual ultrasonic spray for up to 90% more coverage. The built-in voice help system provides real-time updates, while the SLAM 4.0 algorithm ensures smart path navigation. With a sleek design and a huge 71% discount, it's one of the most reliable cleaning solutions in its range. Add in a $12 coupon code, and it becomes unbeatable in value and performance for household use. Number 4, PuRuiKai N361 High Suction Robot. The PuRuiKai N361 offers a powerful cleaning solution with high suction and CE-certified safety features. It's equipped with a 4.5-meter cord, allowing you to clean wide areas with ease. For peace of mind, a safety rope is included to prevent falls from heights. With 10 cleaning cloths included, you're set for multiple uses right out of the box. Whether you live in a high-rise or need a safe cleaner for large windows, the N361 is a dependable and budget-friendly pick, now available at 65% off. Number 3, CHOVERY CL1 Electric Window Cleaner. The CHOVERY CL1 combines reliability and convenience in a compact robot cleaner. It features a 5-meter cable for extended reach and comes with CE, FCC, and RoHS certifications, ensuring top-tier quality and safety. It includes a remote control, safety rope, and multiple cleaning cloths, making setup easy and operation simple. Ideal for homeowners who want an effortless, plug-and-play experience. With a 67% discount, it delivers excellent value for smart home enthusiasts. Number 2, Liectroux YW509 Smart Window Robot. The Liectroux YW509 is built for performance in both home and office settings. With patented microfiber cloths, it provides deeper decontamination, and its dual water spray system enhances cleaning efficiency. The UPS power-off protection ensures it stays securely attached during outages. Its intelligent path planning uses smart algorithms to clean faster and more thoroughly. At 71% off, this robot is a high-end cleaner for those who want reliable and intelligent window maintenance. Number 1, Robot Lifestyle RL4136 Smart Cleaner. The RL4136 from Robot Lifestyle is a top performer for anyone looking for a dependable and smart window cleaning solution. It features 2,500 pascals suction, ensuring it sticks firmly to surfaces. The Bluetooth remote control provides easy operation from a distance, while auto water spray tackles grime efficiently. Thanks to UPS power-off protection, it remains safe on windows even during power loss. At 65% off, this feature-rich cleaner offers excellent value and peace of mind for homeowners and businesses.